Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Firdan Fadila. I'm from Marketing Management, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta, 2018. With this video, I would like to tell you about my research entitled The Effect of Online Customer Review on Purchase Intention in ipanganan.com online store, City of Jakarta Community Survey. The first is preliminary. Currently, consumers in Indonesia are more interested in the use of online buying and selling media. This is inseparable from one of the confinements posed in buying and selling online is the ease of finding information about products. This information is obtained from the reviews or responses that have been given by consumers who have purchased the product. However, the current economic growth due to the COVID-19 pandemic has been hampered. This has caused market conditions during the pandemic to be quite depressed. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a multi-sectoral domino effect, meaning that all sectors in the health, social, finance, and economic sector experience growth inhibition and are mutually sustainable. And many affect companies require termination of employment for their employees. Therefore, business actors and entrepreneurs must think about the right steps to continue their business during the COVID-19 pandemic. The presence of e-commerce or marketplace is very helpful for SME entrepreneurs to be able to access during the COVID-19 pandemic. Many people shop online because of the implementation of large-scale social restrictions. Switch to online is the best solution for the business actors to survive the COVID-19 pandemic's change in people lifestyle due to the implementation of PSBB into online shopping as an opportunity to survive. It is a business. Bulog implements is a business and operational strategies by prioritizing service to the community, implementing superior management practice with the support of professional human research, leading technology and integrated system applying to the principles of good corporation governance and continuously making continuous improvement and ensure the affordability, and stability of staples food commodities. Therefore, Bulog is expected to increase efficiency and effectiveness in order to create satisfaction in order to achieve customer loyalty. ePanganan.com is an online shopping platform from collaboration with ProBulog and Storesen Indonesia. This collaboration is a form a commitment from both parties in presenting modern food digitization in the country, as well as being the largest online food community provider in Indonesia. And currently, Impanganan.com has been present in various regions in Indonesia, such as Jakarta, Medan, Bandung, Semarang, Yogyakarta, Surabaya, and Makassar. The hope is to become the king market or the biggest online food supermarket in Indonesia. People can get food and daily necessities easily and cheaply, especially in the current pandemic situation. And reported from Instagram at Jakarta Info, Bulog's business director Feby Novita noted that total online food sales for July 2021 period for the DKI Jakarta area through the Shopee ePanganan.com platform reached 1,900 34 billion rupiah. She explained the details of food sales in DKI Jakarta, which contribute 78% of the total sales made by Bulog online in 7 cities in Indonesia, amounting to 12 billion rupiah this year. Meanwhile, food sales in DKI Jakarta on average are 134 billion rupiah per month in 2021. This amount is in an increase compared to last year's average sales, which was 11 billion rupiah per month. But lately, there have been many negative reviews from the customers regarding the quality of products from epana.com. It is feared that it will reduce buying interest from consumers. Online customer review are defined as evaluative information generated by customers and posted on company website or third parties. Uh, that way, customer will refer to online customer review, blogs, or other from the feedback from consumers before making a purchase. In the picture, this is the first negative review is that consumers complain about the quantity of the product that is less than it should be. That companies consider less concern about packaging that product before it is delivered to the destination. And with this phenomena, research are interested in conducting research with the title Influence of Online Marketing Review, Online Customer Review on Purchase Intention in Online Store epana.com. And based on the background described above, the problem formulation is obtained to conduct research on the effect of online customer review and purchase intention at the impanganan.com online store. Namely, is there is influence of online customer review on purchase intention at impanganan.com. And research purpose is the want to achieve is to find out the influence of the online customer review on purchase intention at ipanganan.com. The benefits of research for writers is this research is expected to increase insight and knowledge about online customer review on purchase intention. And the second is so that the theories obtained in lectures are expected to be applied properly in this research. And benefits for the research of faculty as a reference achieve of science work of the Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. And the second is as an additional reference for the development of knowledge, especially in the field of marketing. And benefits of a search for readers is to increase knowledge and to field of marketing, contribute to the existing marketing literature, and will also provide new insight for the further study. And let's go to the next chapter is theoretical study and research methodology. The first, we have a definition of purchase intention. Purchase intention is an activity carried out by consumers in assessing a product before making a purchase decision. According to ASEL 2001, the meaning of being interested or purchase intention is a tendency of the consumer to buy a brand or also take actions related to purchase which are assessed from the consumer opportunity to make a purchase. And the dimension of purchase intention is according to Ferdinand 2006, there are four indicators of buying interest. or purchase intention. The first is transaction interest, namely the tendencies of a person to buy a product. The second is referential interest, namely the tendency of a person to refer product to the others. And preferential interest, which is an interest that describe that behavior of someone who has a primary preference for the product. And the last is exploitation, the exploratory interest, which is describe the behavior of someone who is always looking for information in order to support the positive nature of the product. And go to the next is definition of online customer review. The term of online customer review refers to customer generated information and recommendation present online by customer about a product. This information consists of experiences, evaluations, and options from customers by Bay and Lee 2011. Online customer review or OCRS are reviews given by customer related to information from evaluating a product about various aspects. With this information, customers can get the quality of the product they are looking for from review and experience written by consumers who have purchased the product from sales online. And the difference between online customer review on eWorm. Recently, OCRS has been examined as a form of electronic word of mouth contact that influence customers' behavior. However, OCRS differs from AWOM in several important ways. The first is electronic word of mouth can be generated either by customer or marketers, whereas OCRS is generated only by customers. Online customer review or OCRS is can contain positive or negative things about the product or company sellers and are made by customers via the internet. Customers provide indirect feedback by providing honest evaluation of the advantage and disadvantage of the product. Next is trust in online customer review. Trust can be built through uh, various knowledge and experience. This definition by Flavian and Guinaluia 2018, 2005, Zhao and Lavin 2012. Hadley and Kani found that the level of trust for new products increased through word of mouth socially. OCRS is a play an important role in validating consumers' initial expectation and increase their trust. Trust is the brand as a result of the information posted online is extended to online trust and in the brand such OCRS represent perceptual fluency and confidence in brand offering as they inform customers cognitive effort and decision making intentions in today's online-based buying environment. Their belief that the brand is reliable and support interest and well-being. And the next is dimension of online customer review. According to Elwelda 2016, there are four indicators of online customer review. The first is perceived usefulness, refer to the extent to which customers believe OCRS are useful and perceive benefits. The second is perceived ease of use, refers to the extent to which customers believe that using OCRS is simple and easily. And the third is perceived enjoyment, is a sense of comfort and pleasures felt by customer when looking for OCRS information. And the fourth is perceived control. Is this the level of control that customers have over their action? And the framework of thinking for the online customer review, we have perceived usefulness, perceived ease of use, perceived enjoyment, perceived and perceived control. And the hypothesis is the influence of online customer review on purchase intention. Who purchase intention have four indicators: transaction interest, referral interest, preferential interest, and exploration interest. Let's go to the next chapter is a discussion. Result of data analysis to the test of validity. The research first test the instrument on the 30 respondents to find out whether the questionnaire used was valid or invalid. To measure validity, the research used the product moment correlation formula with a significance level of 5%. The basis of making a decision on validity is to compare the value of R count with R table. If the value of R count will be biggest then our table, then the questionnaire statement item is valid. And if our count will be small, then our table, the statement item in the questionnaires is invalid. And I have all indicators, online customer review and indicators of purchase intention. All of them is valid. And next to the reliability test, based on the table, it can be the value of corn batch alpha in the online customer review variable is 0.937 uh, biggest than 0.070, and the purchase intention variable is 0.959 biggest than 0.70, so it can be concluded that the questionnaire is declared reliable. And descriptive statistic on the online customer review variable, which consists of the dimension of perceived usefulness, perceived use of ease of use, perceived enjoyment, and perceived control. The following is the interpretation of the result description statistic on each dimension in the online customer review variable. The first is perceived usefulness based on the data process for the table. The dimension of perceived usefulness is included in the very good category with an average of agree, strongly agree, and swear of 82.5%, where the figure is an weight score 80% to 100% is a very good category. And the perceived ease of use based on the result of data processing. Dimension perceived ease of use fall into the good category with an average agree strongly answer of 70.18%. And the indicator interaction between customer has the highest infrequence value, as many as of 85 respondents with an average of answering agree and strongly agree. The indicator statement is my interactions with online customer review are manageable and understandable. It can be said that respondents agree that online customer review interaction can be managed and understood by other customers, so is as to increase purchase intention to buy ipana.com product and perceived enjoyment and purchase perceived enjoyment dimension is the good category with an average agree and strongly agree answer of 187 67.54%. And the indicator of experience in reading present online reviews has the highest frequency value as many as 79 respondents and average answered agree and strongly agree. The indicator's statement is I find the experience of reading online customer review pleasant. It can be said that the respondents agree that online review on the ipana.com online store provide a new and enjoyable experience for customers who want to buy products from ipana.com. And the last is perceived control. The last dimension for from online customer review. Perceived control dimension is included in the good category with an average agree and strongly agree answer of 70.18% and the 82 with 82 respondents on average answer agree and strongly agree. The statement of the two indicators are through online customer review, I have a direct influence and finding the information that I need. And online customer review allow me to get the information I need. It can be said that through online customer review, customer can find and be a source of information for the other customer before buying product in ipana.com. And the next of descriptive statistic analysis is purchase intention, which is the purchase intention have a four dimension, namely transactional interest, referential interest, preferential interest, and exploratory interest. The first is transactional interest. Uh, transactional interest dimension fall into the good category with an average agree and strongly agree and swear with 71.05% with 87 respondents on average answer agree and strongly agree. The indicator statement is interest in buying ipanganan.com product. This shows that customers are interested in buying products sold by ipana.com. And the next is referral interest. In referral interest, dimension include in the good category with an average agree and strongly agree answer of 64.91% and 79 respondents with an average strongly answer agree and strongly agree. The indicator statement is interest in giving positive review about ipana.com products. This show that customers agree to give positive reviews about the products sold by ipana.com. The preferential interest is the dimension of purchase intention who has included in the good category with an average agree and strongly agree answer of 70.61% with 84 respondents on average answer agree and strongly agree. The indicator statement is the product from ipana.com caught my attention. This shows that the respondents agree that the product sold by ipana.com attract the intention of customers. And the last is exploratory interest. The exploratory interest dimension is the good category with an average agree and strongly agree of 71.993%, with 88 respondents on average answer agree and strongly agree. The indicator statement is I am interested in buying ipana.com product after receive the information. This shows the respondents agree that the customer will buying the products sold by ipana.com after getting the product information from uh, online customer review. Next is a basic assumption test. Uh, I Basic assumption test with a Kolmogorov-Smirnov method. It is known that a significant value is a point 0.091 highest than 0.05. It can be concluded that the data is normally distributed. And the linearity test, significant value of deviation from linearity is 0.901 bigger than 0.05. It can be concluded that the linear relationship between the online customer review and purchase intention is variable. And the purchase intention. And the result of data analysis simple linear regression test from the unstandardized con coefficient for the value A is 14.524. Then the online customer review value B per regression coefficient is 0.479. It can be concluded that the online customer review variable increased by 1 unit, then the purchase intention variable increased by 0.479 units. From the next is hypothesis test. The um, the T count biggest than T table is 4.820 is biggest than 1.983 and has a significance value of 0.000, smallest than 0.05. So it can be concluded that the hypothesis is accepted. There is a significant values between online customer review on purchase intention at the ipanganan.com online store. And the coefficient determination, the coefficient of determination is 0.172, which implies that the influence of the independent variable, which is the online customer review, on the dependent variable purchase intention is the 17.2%, while the remaining 82.8% is influenced by other variables not examined in this study, such as a product quality, brand image, trust, and many more. The discussion user on online customer review on e-commerce media market, it easy for consumers or potential customers to get information, become a reference for potential customers before buying products, and become a new experience for a new e-commerce users. This is in line with research conducted by M. Huang and Pep from 2020, which state the online information is considered the main search that significantly influence customer purchase intention. This finding show a positive relationship between perceived enjoyment and trust with a p-value small than zero point 0.5. Perceived effectiveness is the fourth factor of the online customer review and significantly influence customer intention to shop online. The results show a positive relationship between perceived enjoyment and trust with a p-value smaller than zero point 0.5, and perceived usefulness has a strong direct impact on a customer purchase intention. And through the result of hypothesis testing is known by online customer review variable has the count bigger than the table, and which is 44.82 bigger than 1.983 and has significance value of 0.000, smaller than 0.05. So the result hypothesis, the first hypothesis are acceptable, namely there is an influence between online customer review on purchase intention at ipanganan.com online store. Furthermore, it is known that the coefficient of determination of the online customer review variable is 0.172. This means that the online customer review variable is able to explain the variation that occurred in the purchase intention variable of 70.2%, while the rest of is the influence by other variables not examined in this study, such as the trust variable in the research of Rahmatullah and Sari from 2008 on 2019, shown online customer review as a positive and significant influence on buying interest through customers trust. Customer can read online reviews and minimize customers risk to existing product, increase customers confidence due to reviews from the customer can increase buying interest. And the last is conclusion and suggestion. The conclusion of the conclusion, my research based the test result, there is a significant positive effect between online customer review on purchase intention. This is evidence by a significant value of 0.000, smaller than 0.05, and a coefficient of determination of online customer review on purchase intention is 0.172, which means that 17.2% of purchase intention is influenced by online customer review. And the second is the online customer review variable consists of 9 statements, all of which is agree and strongly agree. This statement is I find using online customer reviews helpful, has the highest frequency rating percentage. This is show that online customer review are very useful for consumers and potential customers, both and finding information and reference in choosing the product they want to buy online review written by other customers can be a reference for potential customers before buying a epanganan.com product. And the implication is based on the test result online customer review, which consists the dimension of perceived usefulness, perceived ease of use, perceived of enjoyment, and perceived of control are included in the good category with the average total answer agree and strongly agree of 70.18%. This shows that the matter of the online review submitted by customers and from epanganan.com and their more buying interest and epanganan.com food product will be. And the second is the purchase intention consists of the dimension of transactional interest, referential interest, preferential interest, and exploratory interest into the good category with the average total average answer agree and strongly agree at the 71.39%. This shows the online review information about epanganan.com products is able to attract the attention of customers to buy food products from epanganan.com. The suggestion for the company epanganan.com still need to develop information to the customers that epanganan.com has guaranteed the product produced are the high quality and verifies of maintains interaction with the customer and avoid negative reviews. And for the customers are potential customers for of epanganan.com products. The suggestion is for customers or potential customers in buying epanganan.com products to always be selective in receive information submitted by other customers and always look for the search to be considered before buying a product. And the last is the suggestion for further research. In this study, respondents only include people in Jakarta. Therefore, suggestion for the research can conduct research with a wider scope. Consider that epanganan.com is from a collaboration from Bulog, which is covers all of Indonesia. In addition, further research can use other types of e-commerce such as Tokopedia, Blibli, Lazada, and many more to measure the influence of online customer review in all e-commerce media in Indonesia. Thank you for watching my research presentation and see you.